In this video, let us talk about open circuited transmission line. In a finite transmission line terminated with characteristic impedance Z0 at the receiving end, there will not be any reflecting waves because it acts as an infinite transmission line. But in a finite transmission line that is either open circuited or short circuited at the receiving end, there will be reflecting waves. For open circuited transmission line, as it is open at the receiving end, current is 0 and voltage is maximum. This is a lossless medium. The points at which the voltage is maximum are called antinodes or magma points. Similarly, the points at which the voltage is minimum are called nodes. The nodes and antinodes occur for a half wavelength. The first node occurs at a quarter wavelength from the receiving end. Short-circuited transmission line. For a short-circuited transmission line, since the receiving end is shorted, voltage is 0 and current is maximum as shown. Let us find ZOC and ZSC, short circuited impedance and open circuited impedance. ZOC is the impedance seen from the sending end in an open circuited transmission line. ZOC equal to Vs by Is. ZSC is the impedance seen from the sending end in a short circuited transmission line. ZSC equal to Vs by Is. We know the general voltage and current equations for finite length transmissions in terms of Vs and Is as V equal to Vs cos h gamma x minus Is Z0 sin h gamma x and I equal to Is cos h gamma x minus Vs by Z0 sin h gamma x. Assume VR and IR as the voltage and currents at the receiving end and L as the length of the transmission line. At x equal to L, V equal to VR and I equal to IR. Substituting in the above equations, we get VR equal to Vs cos h gamma L minus Is Z0 sin h gamma L, IR equal to Is cos h gamma L minus Vs by Z0 sin h gamma L. For open circuited transmission line, IR equal to 0. Therefore, Is cos h gamma L equal to Vs by Z0 sin h gamma L. ZOC equal to Vs by Is equal to Z0 cot h gamma L. Similarly, for short circuited transmission line, VR equal to 0. From this, therefore, Vs cos h gamma L equal to Is Z0 sin h gamma L. Therefore, ZSC equal to Vs by Is equal to Z0 tan h gamma L. ZOC into ZSC equal to Z0 square. ZSC by ZOC equal to tan h square gamma L. Tan h gamma L equal to square root of ZSC by ZOC.